15 Pro Max, more cases. Let's get into it. What's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk. So here we are with a case haul from the guys at ESR. ESR, big followers and supporters of the channel, so thank you guys for hooking me up with your cases for the 15 Pro Max. So let's check these out. So what we have here, we have the tough case with stash stand. Yep. We have the soft case with stash stand. Nice. Stash stand. I think that's a bit of a dodgy name, to be honest. I think we need to rethink this name, ESR. Stash stand. What we stashing? Stand, mate. Stashing it. Hybrid case with stash stand and a hybrid case with no stash stand. So let's check these out. So this is a clear case for all you clear case fans out there. There we go. Instructions on the inside. Scan to watch a quick setup video in case you don't know how to put a case on. That's alright. I'm going to show you how to do that today. And there we go. Lovely. I will say though, see, all joking aside, ESR's kickstands on their camera guards are fantastic. I cannot say enough good things about them. They are fantastic. They not only give you a nice discreet kickstand, but they also give you extra protection for your camera, which I love. What's this one? A soft case. Usually the cases I get from ESR are usually clear, so I'm intrigued to see this soft case with, that's really nice. That's a silicone case. Ooh. That is really nice. Look at that. Absolutely. I cannot wait to get a good look at that one. That is right up my street. And this one is the tough case. So this will be ESR's rugged boyo. I can already tell by the weight of it. It is rugged. Oh, well, it says there on the box, Armor Series. Oh, there, Michael. Oh yeah, so that has a complete protected front. Look at that. That is also a fantastic case. I haven't even tried these cases on my phone yet and I'm already loving them. That's fantastic. So there'll be a variation of weights here because the likes of this one doesn't have any metal on it bar the magnets. So that's the hybrid case and that's 38 grams. So that'll be the lightest of all the cases. And then this is the hybrid with the metal kickstand. So this one is 49 grams. So yeah, as expected, that would be a bit heavier. This is the soft case with the metal kickstand as well. And it's also 49 grams. That's really nice. That's really caught my eye, you know. Really like that. And then this is the big armor boyo. I should really take the stuff out from in there, shouldn't I? Before I weigh this. And we'll just weigh this. So that case is 80 grams, which isn't really surprising for it being an armored case. It's quite big and thick and bulky. And you've got protection across the board. The only thing I think's missing is it's not waterproof. Okay, so we'll start off with the hybrid case. So this is your clear case, no bells and whistles. It does exactly what it says in the tin. It is a clear case. You can see your MagSafe ring here and you have a relatively decent camera bump there. So on the side then we have ESR's logo here, and we have then a lanyard loophole, of course, for all the lanyard people that don't exist. We have USB-C port cutouts. So we have the cutouts there for the speakers and your USB-C port, which is really good. And then we have our buttons. So as you can see here, we've got our volume up and down, and we have our action button and our lock button then on the side. So let's just see how good these buttons are. Yeah, perfect. Really clicky and responsive, no issues whatsoever. So it is really good fit. Because it is that sort of TPU material, it is grippy and it is holding onto the phone in really well. You can actually, I'm not sure if you can really see it there, but you can actually make out a texture on the side of this case. That's actually on the inside, and I'm pretty sure that's gripping onto the phone while it's in there, so it's really good grippy case. It also feels grippy on the sides as well when you're holding it, which is a real good thing when it comes to cases. You want to make sure you've got a good grippy hold of it. So yeah, that is really good. So screen lip, the lip does come up over the display, and as you can see it is slightly raised at the corners, so it will help keep that screen up off your flat surface. If you set it down flat, it's not going to touch that surface, which is great. Camera bump then, the camera guard, the lenses do not protrude out of the camera guard, and it is all that same material as the case. It's that soft TPU, so it'll be shock absorbing, and again, lenses won't protrude out, so if you set it down flat, it's not going to scuff up those lenses, which is perfect. For a clear case, it's very grippy, and I really do like it. It's one of the best grippy cases, and it'll be anti-yellowing as well, you know, because these if you know clear cases are really bad for yellowing, and ESR are using anti-yellowing technology on there, which is really good to keep those clear cases looking really good. So MagSafe then, let's just test the MagSafe out. So MagSafe test, if you haven't seen any of my videos before, basically what it means, if the phone can pick up the mount without dropping it, and if the mount can hold the weight of the phone without dropping it, it's a good test. Yeah, so here we go. Look at that. Perfect. Fantastic. Top marks. That is fantastic MagSafe. That's really good MagSafe actually. Top marks ESR. Top marks. So that is the hybrid clear case. So we'll quickly move on. I'm not going to go over everything again with this case, because this is exactly the same case as the hybrid one I've just shown. The only difference being that I will show you with this case that is different from this one is the kickstand. So this is a metal camera guard as well as a kickstand. So it just pops out here, and you can use that to set up to watch content or whatever you want to do, or whatever way you want to set your phone up. It's really handy. It's discreet, but it also then doubles up as a camera guard for your camera lenses. So if you look at that, you can see that that metal camera guard comes up a little bit more than the previous version, and it does give you that extra bit of protection. So those lenses aren't going to get scuffed up, and you've got metal guard protection there over your lenses. Fantastic, and it's a really good addition. I like it. And just for completeness, I'll just showcase the MagSafe on this one as well. Same level, magnet strength. Fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. Cannot fault that whatsoever. So that is the hybrid and the hybrid kickstand case from ESR. If you're looking for a clear case, do you know what? You'd be hard pushed to find something a bit better than this. Next up is this. This is what they've called the soft case with the kickstand as well. And I will say, I haven't really seen this type of case from ESR before, and I'm really liking it. Looking inside, it's all microfiber lined. You can see the MagSafe ring here. So you've got, so it says there, your Halo Lock magnetic case, which is what ESR call their MagSafe, and ESR's logo there as well in the bottom and in the ring, which is good. So you can see the circular ring, and then the guide, the magnetic guide there as well. That is really nice. It's a black silicone. You've got the ring on the outside then as well, and we've got these silicone buttons, which is quite nice. Now, I am a bit spoiled. A lot of cases I've been using recently have metal buttons. Could you imagine with this metal guard just having metal buttons on there? That'd be nice. That'd be very nice. Lanyard loophole as well. Speakers and USB-C cutout, which is fantastic. So yeah, relatively rigid case as well. You know, in the middle, you can see the sort of flex here where the buttons and stuff are, but overall it's a relatively rigid case. So yeah, let's check this out, because I'm quite excited with this case. I do like silicone cases, and I didn't really feature many silicone cases for the 14 Pro Max last year, now that I'm thinking on it. And is that maybe because I didn't really see any that were really good or did they not really catch my eye? Honestly can't answer that. But this here is fantastic. What do you guys think? That's the black color. Now I must actually have a look and see if ESR do any other colors, but that's the black case, and you can see there with the blue camera lenses. It's still nice. A blue version maybe would be nice. Just saying. So let's just check the buttons. Yep. No issues there with any of them buttons. Fantastic. Phone, when it's in there, is secure. There's no chance of it slipping off or anything like that. The phone is well gripped when it's in there. So I'm a big fan. I really like that, you know. That is really nice. So, screen lip. As you can see, the lip comes up over the display, and the same again as similar to the hybrid cases, it is raised at the corners here, which you can, I'm not sure if you can make that out, but it's raised ever so slightly higher than the sides. So if you set that down flat on the surface, it's not going to scuff up that display. You know, it's not going to reach. And then cameras do not protrude, and similar again to the hybrid with the metal guard, the cameras are well protected here. And then this is the kickstand as well, so you can set that up if you're watching content or whatever you do with your phone that you need a kickstand for. It's really good. But no, that is, if anything, I'm more than happy just to have that metal camera guard. That is really good. I like that. It is a silicone finish. It does, just out of the box, it does feel a bit slippery. I think as time goes on, the more you use it, it'll get a bit more grippy, but it's still quite grippy when you're holding it in your hand. I don't feel like it's overly slippy when you've got your hands on the side bumpers, which is great. And the rounded edges of the phone, which have changed these cases, do make the Pro Max a bit easier to hold. It is, I have noticed that it is definitely easier on the hand than it was on the 14 Pro Max, because the edges were just so harsh. So let's just test the MagSafe of this bad boy. And same again, I'm expecting really good things here. Those magnets are fantastic. Perfect. ESR, have the magnets hit on the head here. Perfect. Absolute perfect. That's definitely going into one of my top cases, I think, so far. So that's the soft case. Right, so next up then, let's check out this bad boy. So this is a big old boy. And you see, if I'm being honest, I'm pretty sure you could just use this case without this front part if you wanted. So if you didn't want to put that screen protector part on, I'm pretty confident you could just pop that phone. No, you can't. Yeah, okay. No, you can't. Ignore me. No, you kind of need that because it's kind of loose. See that? Yeah, no, you can't do that. So you do need to use this part here. So this is a built-in screen protector, and there's number 1 there, and then number 2 here. So you need to take these bits of plastic off, and then you need to ensure that the inside of your phone is clean. And inside here, you also will get a camera guard, and you'll get wet wipes and dust removers. Tell you what we'll do, we'll just do that for the nature of science. Now, this is a brand new phone out of the box, so it's not going to need much cleaning. And then that part goes over the top. There we go. Right, so then that front part goes on like so, and then that just clicks in to there like that. And there you go. That is a pretty minimalistic rugged case, if I'm being straight up about it. And then I haven't put these on, but those are the camera lenses. I'm not a massive fan of them, but they're relatively simple to put on as well. And you can just pop them over the top like so. But yeah, same again, buttons, really responsive. Down the side, we have a lanyard loop, we have ESR's branding, and like, it is very minimalistic looking for it being a rugged case. And then obviously this is a screen protector, so the screen lip is pretty much irrelevant at this point, but there's a good lip up over that screen protector as well. So it's not going to scuff it up, even though it's a screen protector, that's its job. Camera guard then is very, very good as well. Metal guard, which with a kickstand, which can pop out like that, but it will also protect those lenses. So it is raised up well over the lenses. So set it down, it's not going to scuff up. That is the thinnest rugged case I think I've ever seen. And of course it is MagSafe as well. So I fully expect this to be just as good. Now with it being a little bit more weighty, I'm not quite sure, it might be a bit weaker, but let's just try it. That's great. That is really, really great. I tell you what, my ESR have knocked the MagSafe out of the park with this case lineup. It is 10 out of 10. It's fantastic, guys, fantastic. And I'm sure you are wondering how responsive is the screen protector. It is 100%. There's no lag, there's no issues there with it whatsoever. It is really, really good. No problems whatsoever. The only downside with it is being a clear case on the back, it's a fingerprint magnet. You are going to get a lot of fingerprints on it, but that's a fantastic option if you are into if you do like your rugged cases, or if you're in an environment or a job which, you know, the likes of joiners and engineers and plumbers, you know, those guys can get lots of dirt and lots of like particles and bits and pieces stuck in around their phone and stuff like that. This here completely covers all that. And then you'll see here as well on the bottom, you have a cover there for your USB-C port, which just flips open like that, which is great. So it'll keep that port clean. And then your speakers are meshed off as well, which is fantastic because it'll stop your speakers then from gathering stuff up. It'll be caught by that protector. That's fantastic, I must say. Rugged case, top notch. That is the case lineup from the guys at ESR. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. What is your bag? Are you a clear case user? Are you a kickstand user? Do you like the silicone minimalistic type of case? Or are you a rugged case user? Let me know in the comments down below, because if you're any of those things, you might want to check these out, because ESR have killed it with these cases. If you are interested in picking any of these cases up, I will leave you affiliate links in the description down below. They do help support the channel, but they don't cost you guys any more money. So if you pick any up using any of my links, thanks for your support. I'll also leave you a discount code down there as well for some discount off your order. So go check it out. So that about wraps it up for this video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button for me, and don't forget to click that subscribe button and ring that little bell to be notified of new videos just like this one. Keep locked to the channel. I have a lot more 15 Pro Max case content coming for you, so stay locked to the channel. And if you want some more down to earth tech and accessory review videos, you know where to come. And until the next one, I'll catch you later.